Bugatti, a name that has become synonymous with the absolute pinnacle of automotive engineering and luxury. Founded by Ettore Bugatti, the brand was built on a singular, uncompromising philosophy. If comparable, it is no longer Bugatti. For over a century, this mantra has driven the creation of the world's most extraordinary machines. In 2005, the world changed. The Bugatti Veyron EB 16.4 arrived, shattering every preconceived notion of what a road car could achieve. At its heart lay a masterpiece, an 8.0-liter W16 engine, quad-turbocharged to produce a staggering 1,001 horsepower. It wasn't just about power, it was about the impossible feat of cooling that beast and keeping it pinned to the tarmac at 253 miles per hour. The Veyron wasn't just a car, it was a moonshot on wheels. In 2016, the Chiron took the stage, tasked with the impossible, improving upon perfection. It took the legendary W16 and pushed it to 1,500 horsepower. With a limited top speed of 261 miles per hour, the Chiron wasn't just faster, it was more refined, more luxurious, and more capable in every single corner. Then came the Super Sport 300 Plus, a car that famously broke the 300-mile-per-hour barrier, cementing the Chiron's legacy as the absolute peak of internal combustion. 1,600 Newton-meters of torque, 0 to 60 in under 2.5 seconds, and a design that is as much a work of art as it is a masterclass in aerodynamics. Now, we enter a new era, the Bugatti Tourbillon. Moving away from the W16, Bugatti has engineered a masterpiece of mechanical art, an 8.3-liter naturally aspirated V16 engine. Combined with 3 electric motors, it produces a staggering 1,800 horsepower. But the Tourbillon is about more than just numbers. It is a return to timelessness. Inside, the dashboard is a horological marvel, an analog instrument cluster crafted by Swiss watchmakers, where every gear and jewel is visible. It is a car designed not just for the next decade, but for the next century. This is the future of Bugatti, a perfect harmony of high-tech hybridization and analog soul. Beyond the production hypercars, Bugatti occasionally crafts something truly singular. Enter La Voiture Noire, the black car, a one-off masterpiece that serves as a modern tribute to Jean Bugatti's lost Type 57 SC Atlantic. At the time of its reveal, it was the most expensive new car ever sold, with a price tag of nearly $19 million. It features a handcrafted carbon fiber body, 6 exhaust pipes at the rear, and a presence that defines automotive haute couture. It is not just a car, it is a piece of rolling history, bridging the gap between the brand's legendary past and its limitless future. And then there is the Bolide, Bugatti's answer to the question, what if we built a car around the W16 engine with no limits? The result is a track-only monster. In its concept form, running on 110-octane fuel, the Bolide produces a mind-bending 1,850 horsepower. It is a masterclass in weight reduction and aerodynamics, featuring a radical X-shaped lighting signature and a roof scoop that physically changes shape at high speeds. The Bolide is Bugatti in its rawest form, unfiltered, uncompromising, and built for nothing but the pursuit of the ultimate lap time. The history of Bugatti is a story of relentless pursuit, of speed, of beauty, and of engineering that defies logic. Bugatti's journey from a small workshop in Molsheim to the global icon it is today is a testament to the vision of Ettore and Jean Bugatti. It is a brand that has survived wars, economic shifts, and the transition into a new millennium, all while maintaining its soul. As we look toward the future, one thing is certain: as long as there is a road to be conquered and a record to be broken, there will be a Bugatti leading the way. Whether it's the roar of a W16 or the silent surge of electric torque in the Tourbillon, every Bugatti carries that same DNA of excellence, a legacy of speed, a tradition of luxury, and an unwavering commitment to the extraordinary. This is Bugatti.